Hey guys, Budget Tech Guy here. Today we're taking a look at the Joway 3-in-1 lens kit. First of all, I would like to say that if you're only interested in seeing the photos taken with using the lenses, you can go to one of the timestamps that you see on the screen right now. But first of all, let's look at what's included when you get the 3-in-1 lens kit from Joway. In this kit you get a macro lens. On top of the macro lens you can attach the 120 degree wide angle lens, and then the 180 degree fisheye lens comes as a separate lens. The lenses come with one clip, which is the one you see on the left. The one on the right is just one I had lying around and is not included in this kit. It also comes with a carrying case, which is actually very nice and of very high quality, especially considering that it's essentially a free thing you get alongside the lenses. It's hard on the outside and pretty soft on the inside, which is great. There's also 2 lens covers included, but I lost those a while ago and I cannot show those, unfortunately. And here's some test photos taken with and without the lenses. For size comparison, you can see the size of the figure I have taken a photo of. It's about the size of a Pepsi can. And here's a test of the macro lens. If you liked this video or found it helpful, remember to hit the like button down below, as well as subscribing if you're interested in budget tech products. Nonetheless, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you.